Hey, it's Mr. H, and this is episode 2 of my DailyDesmos Graphing Challenge series. In each episode, I will take one of the challenge graphs at dailydesmos.com, where the goal is to make the graph with just one equation. So, in this series, I'm going to kind of talk you through my problem solving while I solve it. In each of these, I haven't solved them before, so you are getting the raw problem-solving thoughts of a math teacher, while I am challenging myself, and that way we can learn and have fun figuring this out together. I'll leave a link in the description to the challenge page and also to my solution when I'm all done. All right, let's go. So today we are going to look at this challenge right here in the middle called Holy Hyperbolas number 0 advanced. Let's check this out. Oh my. All right. So this is a very cool looking graph, and this is done by only one equation. So creator here, Dan Anderson, has made this challenge for us. And let's see if there's a hint. Is there a hint anywhere in here? No hint. All right, it just says, if you're victorious, leave a note in the comments when you're done. All right, let's do this. So I see what this looks like, and there are a lot of little hyperbolas happening here in two different directions. So let's give this a try. So I've already named my Desmos page here, Holy Hyperbolas, and let's just get started by tossing in a hyperbola. I mean, I think that that is a hint in the name that they gave us. So if we go x squared minus y squared, and then just equals any number at all, maybe equals 2, then notice we'll have a nice hyperbola. Now, if we change that to, say, -2, you see how the hyperbola is this opposite way. It's, where the pieces are up on the top and down on the bottom. So I'm wondering, if I put a list of values in here, if I can get a lot of hyperbolas all at once. So let's try maybe 1 through 10. And you see how this is starting to form a little bit like what we had there. Now, it makes me wonder, there's kind of that X symbol in the middle. Does that happen? That happens when we put 0. Okay, so what if instead of 0 to 10, since I want the hyperbolas up on the top as well, what if I went -10 up to 10? Oh, so this is actually doing 21 separate graphs and graphing them all on there, and I feel like we're pretty close already. This is amazing. So let's look back at that graph. Now that's got a lot more. That's got a lot more. So we've only gone -10 to 10. I'd say we're only to about here. So I'm gonna bring this down maybe to 30, and if we bring this up to 30, so -30 up to 30, and we zoom out a little bit here. Oh, now that's looking pretty good already. Now, I think the only way to really be more accurate here is if we just count quickly. So I'll probably pause the video so you don't have to wait for me to count all of these little lines. But here we go. We got the middle, it would be 0, 56. I think I count 56. Okay, so let's just try that and see how it goes. We'll see what -56 up to +56 looks like, and then click off of it. Notice it's a little bit thicker when it's clicked on. I mean, hey, I think we've got it. I mean, when I switch back and forth, that is our graph. All right, that was a lot quicker than last time. I think that those ones that involve random things, like I did in episode 1, there's some randomness and polar coordinates to it. That one took me a little bit longer, but I really like the look of this. This is really, really pretty. So if you'd like to see my previous episode or my upcoming episodes, just make sure that you subscribe so that you can be notified of any of those as they come up. Remember, there's a link in the description to my graph for this. Notice we did this in just one equation. And there's also a link to the challenge page where you can find all of these different challenges from DailyDesmos.com. Very, very cool.